Can we do it then?
Can drones fly without GPS? Here's what really happens. Imagine you're flying a drone and suddenly the GPS signal disappears. What happens next? Does the drone fall from the sky? Or can it still keep flying? The answer depends on the type of operation and the drone's onboard systems. GPS helps a drone understand its position, maintain stable hovering, and follow planned flight paths. But GPS isn't the only technology keeping a drone in the air. Modern drones also rely on sensors such as gyroscopes, accelerometers, and flight controllers to maintain stability during flight. These systems continuously monitor the drone's movement and help it remain balanced, even if GPS becomes temporarily unavailable. However, without GPS, certain automated functions, such as precise positioning or autonomous mission planning, may not operate as intended. That's why professional drone operations always begin with proper planning and site assessment. Before every mission, operators evaluate GPS availability, surrounding conditions, and the operational environment. If signal conditions are not suitable, the mission plan may be adjusted to support safe operations. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured operational procedures to assess these conditions before deployment. GPS is an important part of drone operations, but it's only one part of a much larger system. Because behind every successful drone flight isn't just technology, it's careful planning, skilled operation, and informed decision-making.